wants money? Just the one guy right here in the blue shirt. He's the only one who wants money today. And the guy in the yellow over there, thank you.
We are here to celebrate the grand opening of the Sun Federal Clay High School Student-Led Credit Union.
What we're here to do is to provide financial resources for your students that's a safe environment for them to learn.
We were already teaching personal finance, so it was a natural that we would reach out to Sun first in developing this partnership.
The idea to watch these students who have never been in that position now do that regularly for an entire school year made a big difference in their lives.
Seeing your account, seeing your balance book, writing everything down, you realize that money goes fast and you gotta take care of it.
I think what really helped them this year was the interaction with the staff and the students, and even the staff at Sun Federal, and learning those communication skills, the teamwork skills, to really grasp those soft skills to make them better employees. It was not a lot of extra work. Anything that will enhance the students' learning opportunity and enhance our curriculum and give them that real-world experience.
Feedback from our Board of Education was nothing but positive.
Numerous parents came up to me and had positive feedback just for the experience that the kids did receive, learning how to handle different situations.
Our board understands that partnerships with the community is paramount with the success of a school district.
And the goal, again, is just simply to have real-world experiences for kids.
I got so comfortable and I've worked with so many different people and so many different events and different things revolving around our student-run credit union that I know to be confident with myself.